Paano ko nabayaran ang aking maraming utang? Good morning, Yesland family! Welcome to Monday Motivation, where we share short stories that hopefully can help inspire or motivate you for the coming week. No? Again, my name is Broker Nikki, and yun nga ang katanungan. Paano ko nabayaran ang aking madaming utang? So, pinanghawakan ko yung sinasabi ng marami, in-embrace ko that massive action solves all problems. Sige, i-chat nga natin yan. Massive action solves all problems. So, sinipagan ko talaga. I've been in sales for almost 20 years and sinipagan ko talaga. Nagkaroon din ako ng job like part-time man or full-time. Kung ano man yung ginagawa ko, hindi lang masipag, dobleng sipag kasi nga massive action solves all problems. Pero after working hard for many years, hindi ko pa rin talaga nabayaran lahat. I mean, ang hirap maging financially free, no? Buti na lang nabasa ko yung libro ni Brother Bo Sanchez entitled The Abundance Formula. Available yan online sa National Bookstore, Abundance Formula. Sabi ko, talagang totoo yung sinasabi ni Lord sa John 10 verse 10, no? Sabi ni Lord doon, I have come to give them life and to have it abundantly. So, sa abundance formula, I learned 4 simple steps paanong yung good people magiging rich. And ang simple lang dun, 100 equals 10, 20, 70. So, I started tithing, 10% tithe yun, syempre, unang step. I started tithing nung 16 years old pa lang ako, pero hindi ako nakakapag-save and invest kasi nga kulang yung income. So, kulang yung monthly motivation na to, 3 minutes to share that. Na, meron akong talk sa YouTube about it, no? Sa YouTube channel ng Yesland. Pero right now, ang suggestion ko sa'yo, if you haven't read the Abundance Formula, try natin, no? Basahin, intindihin, at i-apply. Kasi it's really not about yung kinikita natin, yung dami ng income natin. It's about the habits. It's about yung ina-apply ba natin yung natututunan natin, and ginagawa ba natin yan consistently? So, building habits. So, this 2025, I hope, kasi natuwa ako, unti-unti na bayaran yung mga utang sa iba-ibang tao, sa kaibigan, sa kamag-anak, may interest man o wala, pati sa home credit dati, nabayaran lahat. Praise God! Hindi lang sa sipag, kundi sa pagsunod sa sinasabi ni Lord na mag-tithe, you give back to Him, and then save 20%, 70% pagkasyahin, you live within your means, and have a simple life, no? Wag add to cart or bili ng hindi kailangan. Ang prayer ko sa inyo, ikaw din, this year, mabayaran lahat ng utang. And i-claim natin sa comment, no? Claim natin, thank God for our abundant life. Yan, comment natin, thank God for our abundant life. Kasi again, sabi sa John 10, verse 10, I have come so that they may have life and have it abundantly. That's God's promise to us. And nangyayari na siya ngayon if you believe, if you work hard for it. And good habits, no? Good habits ng spending, tithing, investing, tipid-tipid this year so that you can overflow and be a bigger blessing, hindi lang sa pamilya, kundi sa mga tao sa paligid mo. So yun lang, guys. See you again next week for our Monday Motivation. Praying that you have a blessed and productive week ahead. God bless!